the sea and the springs of water. This little angel only comes singing again. Only singing the talking old man na Mary Osem. Worship him, man. Worship him is the God who said that he created him heaven, then he created him the ground, and he created him all the whole water where he miss a drink the stuff. Now got the running waters not is the ground. And God and create him. So you never talk with him. Purpose blow you and me. Bible me talk. Worship God. Fear God and worship him because he is the source of everything. Suppose me stop him all the water, Lord is the ground. Suppose me stop him wind, Lord is the ground. Suppose me stop him sun, suppose me stop him rain. Give me by die. By me not exist, by me finish. Because him stop, now this over something stop, now you will survive on this ground. That is why fear God and worship him. Inside Lord is blood. Time blood evolution you will stop. Think blood man way. You no believe no creator God. When you stop again. God and His message. No all the men and Mary when you stop inside of the ground. And we see out him you will worship him creator God. Think blood fall on the believers and God and stop. On the believe God and exist. Don't this black and time you stop long him. God and sing out. Look so long him now. Fear him. Not too long him now. This time in message where you may all get up. No look someone no worship creator God. This time in a message for one per mission tasol or one per denomination tasol or another. This is a message and you may all get a line. And a call of God, final call of God, no every people as long as you breathe, as long as you survive, no this the planet Earth and we call of you no everyone must fear God and love to God because He is the source of everything life of you. Rosi mo na ba ting osem. Ikatim goro, no gat goro. God is tapo. Will angel is tapo. Kain or ting niya. Rousing brother. God and real God na him stop as long as we pastor mi sanaman da playa. Mila talk sa malo yumi. And wala pa pastor too or sa preacher talk me declare him na talk sa malo yosem. There is a God in heaven. How do we worship the creator of heaven and hell? How am I reminding you me? Lord is the creative power of him. Bible, you got him talk lang. This is the theme. Lord worship. We're remembering God. And one black and common thread where and stop throughout the Bible. Remembering God, now worshiping God. This time stop. And inside the book of Revelation, and we talk about this time. Then we touch him through book of Genesis, and we talk in beginning Lord is that too. And we stop. And we like trying to describe him. Now talk about him. Whole Bible. You look in book of Genesis, book of Revelation, and all other book of stuff inside. All like trying to describe the talking. How God and created this background. But the book of Genesis, and we talking to me, how God and creating this background. We miss about today. Those 6 days where God is making this background, bro, you may. A nice background. Friends, this background, bro, you may. And creator God. And we just talk to us all. That is the ground. And we come into existence. And God and we spoke. And we just talk to God. This is something and come up to us all. You look in and we make him go from water. Then we create this ground. And make him flowers. And we bless him go through one them flowers. And we make him water, he run go down in the full Lick mountain. And we bless him go through ground. When we come land of God, God yet he create him. Inside of soul water, you go up you online will die, was also will die. Also the same picks up look can or living things. Big plan like pull up inside of soul water. All is look here and stop. This the emol handmark blo God. Anta blo ground, all looking more fishing, no look more animals, no look more divine, all looking plenty or something, all stop anta blo ground. And we saw him handmark blo God. God, he make him all this something too. Now God, he put him all stop long.